Hey guys, I do a little update today. We got the carburetor back for the snowmobile motor. My buddy Josh rebuilt it. We're bolting it on right now. We're going to see if we can get this puppy to turn over. I can almost guarantee it's going to need spark plugs. But I know that it did run the last time we had it running. That's how I found out something was wrong with the carburetor. So we're hooking up a makeshift gas tank. We're hoping this is going to work, see what we get. But
where did you do some? Is it in one of these?
No, it's in the metal can on the porch. That's what she looks like now that she's been extracted from the snowmobile. That's the Walbro carb.
Hey, buddy.
I was thinking about swapping it out for dual carbs. I have to run an exhaust manifold backwards. Something like that. I gotta figure out what size that is. But right now she's got no muffler on it, so we might actually even see some flamage today. We don't know how cool that would fucking be, huh? There's the fan system. So if I can get rid of pin there for you guys. Now, well, you guys can see that. Little solenoid system. Dual spark plugs. A little rusty. But before we put it on the sled, we are going to tear the whole motor down and probably clean it all up inside and everything. Carb was the first thing we just want to see if she'll run. Like I said, she did run about 2 years ago, or a year and a half ago or something, whenever I put it here. Boy, this ought to be fun. Like I said, I don't know how good that is.
Alright, buddy, stay back. Alright, Jim, come over here and just hold these lines in the field. Buddy, get up.
Come here, Dom.
Go stay by Flatman, alright?
Come here, buddy.
Go by Flatman.
Come here, buddy.
Go on. There's nothing.
Hold on for a second.
I'll turn it.
I'll step back. Might want to step on that. Trying for an old start here. Hang on.
Ready?
Ready.
Almost.
Does it look like it's stuck in fuel? Not really. Let's try something.
I think she wanted to start. Oh. I'll bet you if you prime it, that sucker she'll run. Gas is right here.
No, buddy.
Wait a second, do we got a spray bottle?
Over.
Alright, well, we're trying to do the old start, cold start here. We figured out what the problem was. One of the supposed to be attached coil wires. They're built in. Just broke off completely. So I don't know how common of a coil pack this thing is, or how hard it's going to be to replace. I'm hoping not very hard. As you can see, yeah, that's not supposed to be like that. The wire snapped right off inside of it. When it's supposed to be like this, when you pull the boot off, it's supposed to be attached like that. But it's not. So, I'm going to end up having to get a whole new coil now. Like I said, hopefully they're not too hard to find or track down, or won't be too expensive. But hopefully we're hoping this is going to be a quick fix. Hopefully we'll have this sled/trike running soon. Be cool to see. Alright guys, have a nice fucking day.